Hello class, I'm Sir Nico and our topic for today is all about physical fitness, health-related fitness. Physical fitness is the ability to perform daily activities with optimal performance, endurance, and strength while managing fatigue. And we have 5 components of physical fitness. So number 1 is the cardiovascular endurance, ability of the heart and lungs to supply oxygen during sustained physical activity. So example of the cardiovascular is running, jumping, walking, and climbing. So the number 2 is the muscular endurance. So the ability of a muscle to maintain force over an extended period of time. An example is, as you can see in the picture, mountain climbing, push-ups, and squats. And the number 3 is the muscular strength. So the muscular strength is this refers to the amount of force your muscles can generate. It's like how much weight you can carry or how hard you can push or pull something. So example of that is na ang push-ups, squats, and the next one is the flexibility. So the flexibility is range of motion available at a joint. So the example of that is the arm stretch, shoulder stretch, and the neck stretch. And the next is the body composition. So body composition, relative amount of muscle, fat, bone, and other vital parts of the body. Example of exercises is push-ups, squats, and when you're using dumbbells. So when you do a activity or exercises, so it has a benefits. So we have benefits of regular physical activity content. The physical benefits is it can improve cardiovascular health, stronger muscles and bones, better flexibility and balance, and weight management. So pwede kaya po na ito sabayan sa healthy foods like vegetables and fruits. And also, it has mental health benefits, reduce symptoms of depression, anxiety, improve mood, better sleep, increase cognitive function. And it can give long-term health benefits, lower risk of chronic disease such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. And here are the examples of exercises content. In cardiovascular endurance, we have running, cycling, and swimming. In muscular strength, we have weightlifting, push-ups, and squat. In muscular endurance, we have planking, yoga, and stretching. And that's all for today, class. And thank you for your listening.